What problem can occur if breathing is irregular during exercise? Muscle fatigue. By which natural factors does weathering primarily occur? Rain, wind, and temperature changes. Why does your face appear in a mirror? Reflection. What is the SI unit for magnetic flux density used to express the external magnetic field strength for magnetizing a permanent magnet? Tesla. What is the smallest unit of any substance? Atom. If multiple bulbs are connected in series, how does their brightness change? They become dimmer. What is the main greenhouse gas released when burning materials? Carbon dioxide. What do Maxwell's equations comprehensively describe? The relationship between electric and magnetic fields. What structures in plant roots absorb water and minerals? Root hairs. What do scientists mainly look for when searching for life? Water. What helps the heart rate recover quickly after exercise? Deep breathing. How long does it take for Earth to complete one rotation? Approximately 24 hours. Why does laundry dry even in cold winter? Because evaporation occurs even at low temperatures. What is a structure called where rock layers are bent? A fold. What is the technology that transmits sound without using earphones? Bone conduction. What overall electrical charge does an atom have? Neutral. Why can wearable devices detect sleep states? Analysis of physiological data. How is carbon dioxide produced during exercise removed from the body? Exhalation, breathing. Under what conditions does nuclear fusion occur more easily? High temperature and high pressure. Into which two major parts is the nervous system divided? Central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. What substances are produced when an acid and a base react? Salt and water. Which of Newton's laws describes action and reaction? Third law. What is a representative substance that forms ionic bonds? Sodium chloride. Which of sound and light can travel without a medium? Light. What do you call the group of celestial bodies that orbit the Sun? The solar system. What is used to block radiation during medical X-rays? Lead apron. For which life process in the atmosphere is oxygen essential? Respiration. In what order are the Sun, Moon, and Earth aligned during a solar eclipse? Sun, Moon, Earth. Why do we see lightning before hearing thunder? Because light travels faster than sound. What is the center of a typhoon called, and what is the weather like there? The eye of the typhoon, clear skies. Which connection method reduces the total resistance in an electrical circuit? Parallel connection. What is the phenomenon called when a substance burns and produces light and heat? Combustion. What are the three levels that make up biodiversity? Genes, species, and ecosystems. What is the unit used to express the magnitude of earthquakes? Richter scale. By what phenomenon is an echo produced? Reflection. What is common between alpha and beta rays? Particle radiation. What do we call atoms of the same element that have different numbers of neutrons? Isotopes. In a chemical reaction, what does a catalyst primarily lower? Activation energy. Why do the lungs move more actively during exercise? Because oxygen uptake increases. How does electric current behave when a wire is thicker? It flows more easily. Thanks for watching all the way through. Share your science knowledge in the comments. Your support helps us create even more science quizzes. See you in the next one.